At the Range is brought to you by Davidson's Gallery of Guns.
You know, Patrick, there's just something special about uber short 9mm like this MPX K. I mean, they're short, they're handy, they're extremely quick handling, they're surprisingly accurate. You know, there's just something neat about them. But SIG Sauer has recently come out with something that's very different, haven't they?
We sure have. So we kind of fell into this PCC category, which has become very popular, competition shooting with a 9mm, with our MPX carbine that we had, the prior gen to this. We immediately realized that there was an opportunity there because of the reliability of the platform and how many people had quickly seen that, and it just developed quickly over time. So what we really decided to do was to make a platform that was designed to be built out of the box for that PCC shooter. So we made some changes to this from the prior generation that significantly helped that person who's doing competitive shooting right out of the gate. This is a true 16-inch barrel, so you can actually suppress it if you want to because it is threaded, but we ship it with a 3-chamber comp to help with muzzle rise for, once again, competition shooting. You also have our M4 style handguard. When I say M4 style, what I mean is the original MPX had more of a suppressor-friendly handguard. What we did with this is we went narrower. So guys who want to be able to shoot competition, it's much easier to reach out and be able to reach your hand around the outside of the handguard.
This is something that feels really nice in the hand when you're moving fast.
Exactly, and you have M-lock attachment, which is something that we're going to on all of our SIG rifle models as well. And as we really worked on this development, one of the big things with the MPX was getting to a new trigger. So we went to Timney, we sat down with those guys, and we talked about their MPX trigger that they had. We made some SIG modifications to it in-house here that we worked with Timney to develop, and what we ended up coming up with was a long-lasting, really good feeling trigger. You feel the reset on this thing, it's just insane. The trigger is phenomenal for a competition use.
And that's extremely important, okay? But it looks cool too.
It does. It has a really nice flat blade look, and it feels good. I mean, when you start to shoot with that trigger, you realize really quickly why it's so good for competition.
Okay, and then what about on the back?
So what we did was we took from our MCX, our Teldy folding stock has become very popular. It's got a narrow feel to it. It's a very comfortable stock to put up to your face, and you get the ability to be able to fold it.
Okay, so you can buy SIG Sauer's PCC carbine ready to race out of the box. But Patrick, what about if you already own a different model of MPX pistol?
It's a great question. I mean, the MPX as a whole is all from the same family. So that big word, modularity. What you're able to do is what you're seeing here in the K, these parts are compatible. So if you're already an owner of a K or any other MPX that we offer, with a simple change of just the handguard and the barrel, you can make your K into a PCC.